In this video, I will show you how to animate a path on a map. You will need just two video tracks. First, insert the image of your map in the second track. Click on the event pan/crop and choose 16:9 widescreen TV aspect ratio to freely move the image around. Now choose the part of the map you want to focus on. Go to Media Generators and from the Solid Color section, choose black. Drag it onto the first track. Click Event Pan/crop, then select Mask. Choose the Rectangle Creation tool. Draw a rectangle and place it where you want to start your path. To copy the rectangle, click on it, hold, and drag. Now go to Transitions and choose Linear Wipe. Then select top right diagonal to match the angle of the path. You can choose whether to remove or leave feather. And drag the transition a bit longer so that the path moves slower.